Okay, so this is just basically a video how to set up a reporting service. So you can easily see, if you're doing terminal testing, your fan coils, essentially your supplier would what you want to be looking at, supplier temperature sensor value live. Um, you can add in the position of your heating valve, your cooling valve, your fan state, right? So let's delete this and start again. So in your JACE, in your services, you're going to have to navigate to your palette first and search for report. And in report, so you're going to have two things when you want to expand reporting and report service. Click and drag that onto your services. And I'll just go test for now. Sorry, that's not what I want to do. I want to delete that for a second. Sorry, just leave it as it is. Yeah. Okay. So then in that, then you're going to want to add a. So just double click on that. Just want to add a component grid. So just click and drag it onto the worksheet. Call it FCU Thermal load test, whatever the case is. Okay. Now I've obviously done this in another J, so I'm going to use that. But that's how you get to that stage. So yeah, I have that here, so I'm just going to copy paste it. Okay. So, so the next thing to do then is you would obviously only have one. You would then right click on it. You would say view AX property sheet. So it's going to ask you for a template. So in this instance, my fan coils sit under my backnet network, right? So yeah, so you obviously would just drop that down, component chooser, and you just navigate backnet network, and that would obviously bring up this order. Next one would be query, so how you want to look for things. So this is a PQL. So the way I've built it here is, so I type is a custom type, it's a backnet and it's a backnet device. So that's how you set entry up. If your background codes are sitting on your backnet network, that's how you look for it. And then essentially we're looking for the name, like FCU wildcard, depending on what way your fan codes are labeled. Yeah. So in this instance, inside my yeah FCU capital on the wildcard. So so it's going to look for that FCU. All right. So that's that done. That's all you need to do there. All right. So you can go back. Um, yes. Head back to this point here. Okay. You want to then right click and go to grid editor, right? So this is where you're making your columns. It's essentially it's like columns and rows, like Excel if you want. Up here you'll have nothing, so you'll right click and you'll say add column, but I obviously have 5 already, so I'll show you how I built all 5. So the name is just a name, just nothing there, it's just that's its label, and that's what's going to come out as an AME. So you just build it like that. Next is supply temp, that is obviously important, so we want to use the out value because we want to get the live value, and that's how we find it there. That's the ORD slots, points, supply temp. You would obviously go navigate down through that. You'd have to set it back, yeah, but I would just leave it as that. Cancel that because it's a wildcard, yeah. You're obviously just using supply temp each time. And same idea with the cooling valve, at that value slot. Same with the heating valve, fan command. So they're essentially just your point names, yeah. Once they don't change from fan code to fan code, which they shouldn't, they should all just come in like that because you're using a wildcard back. Look at the last window. So you just go, I'll just hit on to another, ask it to save it, yes. And then you just go look at the a look at the grid, X grid table. So there you go. You can see um, so well, this fan code 2. These are the first level, or the first digit is a fan code type. So it's all level 6, 603, 602, 605. Supply temp sensor, value, fuel and valve, heat and valve, and whether it's on or off, which are all on at the minute. You can look at that. That's going to be overridden. So if I was doing it if I was copying that from station to station instead of going through all that work. So that's on level 6. So I'm going to show you on level 1 here. So it's going to delete him. I was just doing it a minute ago. So see, because I copied and pasted that from level 6, you can see there's no values coming through. So the quickest way I found to get that to work is, sorry, so I copied that from level 6, I pasted it right onto this page, click onto it, you get nothing. So the quickest way to get that to work is to actually look at levels 2 information. It's just going to grid editor. Just go into him, change that to say all capitals. It just pushes it to change. AX grid table. Yes. There we go. Now we're all looking at level 1 here. You can go back and change it again if you wanted to. Shouldn't really matter. It's just for your own. You're just seeing it in the capital instead of lowercase. Yeah. So obviously you can see this, and you can see if there's any alarms attached to your points.